Experiencing a network error with your Google Nest Cam? This message indicates a disruption in the connection between your camera, your home Wi-Fi, and Google's cloud servers. We'll explore the common causes and how to troubleshoot them. The error appears as can't connect to Wi-Fi, network timeout, or server unavailable. Addressing these errors promptly ensures your security system remains online. First, verify your Wi-Fi is functioning correctly and meets Nest Cam's requirements. Nest Cams support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks with a recommended signal strength above 970 dBm. Ensure your Wi-Fi uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for security. Also, check your camera's placement to ensure optimal connectivity. Avoid positioning near sources of interference like microwaves or behind thick walls. Ideally, place the camera within reasonable distance from your Wi-Fi router. Start with the simplest solutions. Reboot your Nest Cam and your Wi-Fi router. Often, this resolves temporary glitches. Unplug the camera for 30 seconds, then plug it back in to restart the device. Next, reboot your Wi-Fi router to refresh the network connection. Turn off the router for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Wait for it to reconnect fully. Use the Google Home app or Nest app to access troubleshooting steps. The app can diagnose specific issues and guide you through the fix. Open the app, select your camera, and look for the troubleshooting option. Basic reboots resolve 85% of issues according to Nest Analytics. When basic troubleshooting steps fail, you may need to access your router settings. First, ensure your router firmware is up to date by logging into your router's admin panel and checking for available updates. Some users may need to configure port forwarding in their router settings. The necessary TCP ports for Google Nest Cam are 9553, 80, and 443. This step is intended for advanced users and may not be necessary for everyone. Always consult your router's manual or contact your ISP for assistance with port forwarding configuration. Firmware updates are crucial for maintaining your Nest Cam's performance. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity issues that trigger network errors. To ensure your camera is up to date, open the Google Home app or Nest app on your device. Navigate to your camera's settings and look for the option to check for updates. The app will scan and install any available firmware updates. Google has released important updates, such as version 7.8.1, which enhances Wi-Fi auto-reconnection protocols and improves error diagnostics. These firmware updates have proven effective, resolving approximately 12% of network errors reported by users. Google Nest Cam errors can be categorized into two main types: network error and server error. A network error typically indicates a problem with your local Wi-Fi connection, such as a weak signal or an incorrect password. In contrast, a server error points to an issue with Google's cloud servers. If you encounter this, the problem is usually on Google's end, and you may need to wait for them to fix it. You can check online forums to see if other users are experiencing similar server issues. Understanding the difference between these error types helps you determine whether the issue requires local troubleshooting or patience while Google resolves server-side problems. For Nest Cam outdoor models, using an Ethernet connection provides a more reliable alternative to Wi-Fi. Ethernet offers stable, wired connectivity that bypasses wireless interference and signal strength issues. If you have a large home with connectivity dead zones, consider a mesh Wi-Fi system like Google Wi-Fi or Nest Wi-Fi. These systems use multiple nodes to create seamless coverage throughout your property, eliminating weak signal areas. Mesh networks have become increasingly popular, with adoption rates reaching 65% among Nest users, offering a reliable solution for consistent camera connectivity. The future of smart home security involves AI-driven diagnostics that proactively identify and fix network issues. Google is integrating machine learning to predict and prevent errors before they occur. Furthermore, 5G integration promises to eliminate Wi-Fi-related errors in the future, providing faster and more reliable connectivity for Nest Cams. Expect Nest Cams to leverage edge computing for local data processing and adaptive frequency hopping to maintain strong connections even in challenging environments. These innovations aim to reduce network errors significantly by 2030, making smart home security more reliable and user-friendly. As technology evolves, Staying informed about these trends will help you get the most out of your Google Nest Cam and enjoy a more seamless smart home experience.